The basic definition of an entity class is actually pretty bare bones. As we talked about in the quiz, all entities need a position variable to reference where it exists in the world. This is going to be used in the future for things like collision and rendering of our visibility. We'll also need to know the size of this entity. Then there's a couple reasons for this. Number one, it's important to know the size of the bitmap that this entity represents, 32 pixels, 64 pixels. But it's also important to know the size for physics calculations. Some objects are bigger than others, and keeping that data around is going to be important for us later on. And finally, in our bare bones entity class, we actually define an update function. This update function will be called by our larger game manager class about every frame, allowing any given overridden entity to have a time slice in order to do execution.